Hello folks, now if like me you're a fan of The Last of Us, you'll have noticed in this week's episode a Pearl Jam song. So I thought I'd show you it very quickly because it's super simple. So we got a capo on the 4th fret, the low E goes down to C sharp. So it goes down 3 frets worth, and then you've got these chords. It's a G shape but without any of the top part. G6 it would be a normal tuning. To an E minor. Then you've got a C, but you're going to take your second finger on and off. Then an A minor shape, and again you're going to take your first finger off. Which takes it to like an A sus2 shape, right? So, little flurry on the next time round. Before you go to the E minor shape, and then again. The rest of the song is just one chord. It's this chord. So you play 1, 3, 2, 2 relative to capo, right? And back around. Enjoy.